Hundreds of thousands of peaceful protesters marched through Hong Kong's downtown streets over the weekend to show continued solidarity for their pro-democracy demonstrations. The South Korea-U.S. joint military drills wrap up tomorrow, and eyes are on whether North Korea will stop its missile testing, as the North has rejected any further talks with South Korea as an angry response for the joint drills. Taking into account that South Korea's exports depend heavily on the global value chain, the Trade Ministry plans to increase the country's advanced material and equipment production capability.